Welcome everybody to my channel. This is a channel about mining, about trading, about strategies to invest. I'm starting small on GoMining app with just 109 terahash. These are my miners. The biggest one is with 85 terahash and all are at 15 watts per terahash. I received in rewards all my Bitcoin because I paid the electricity yesterday and today in Go mining. This mean in USD I received $4 and I have now in the asset sections at the wallet from the Go mining all my Bitcoin and Go mining what I have the last. My plan is to wait 2 more days to use this Go mining for the electricity, and after that, because the price of the Bitcoin it's $80,000 in this moment, I want to sell all my Bitcoin and wait if the price of the Bitcoin go down to buy from the marketplace a good miner at price, because here I can put some filters and go to the energy and make here 15 and the power to the 2 terahash, and I apply these filters and I will go with the lowest price per terahash, because here is the good thing about Go mining, because you can sell the miner, not just the buy and hold. And in this moment, because the price is going up and all the people invest in Bitcoin, they start to raise the price by terahash. But 1 month ago, I saw a miner with $9 per terahash. So I will wait to see the market, and if I get some good price for a miner, I will buy it. 2 terahash give you the day. So you buy 2 terahash for this amount. You get at the current price daily just 3 penny, monthly 76 cents, and yearly 9 and 26, with the up to 36% return. But the Bitcoin, if it's going higher, because the next cycle is coming, and we put just what he had all-time high, it's a 90% return of investment. This is very good, and I go again at my miners, and I want to upgrade this miner until I have 100 terahash on this, and start to monthly upgrade this to terahash miner. So what I want to say, it's I will stay and receive all my Bitcoin, change up to USDC or GoMine token. We'll see the price after 2 days, and after that I will buy a second miner from the marketplace. This miner is the first I bought through marketplace, and it's very easy. And this biggest miner I have just received a stable start. You can get this from the score of your miner. You can invest in this app and hold the Bitcoin until the price is going up, and change after on dollars, and bring them to your wallet. You will see in description the link from this video. This is my channel and I started today. Uh, Here I will show you everything about Go mining, the real part of this Go mining, because When I bought these miners, the price per terahash was high for me, and I'm starting to learn. Now I started in January, and I pay a little bit big than today's price. You can go and lock your Go mining if you have, and you can get a free electricity if you want. You have a reward calculator here, and if you go with 10,000 Go mining, you'll receive for 4 years for a cycle weekly 48 Go mining. And if you are going to reward settings and change here Go mining, you'll see per day you pay 9 Go mining. So it's equivalent of a weekly reward if you lock the Go mining token. So you can get a free electricity if you rather to invest in Go mining than Terahash. So subscribe to this channel, stay up to date. You have in this channel the link referral for Go mining if you want to try it. You can buy from 1 terahash because you can go here and buy 1 terahash for $15, or you make a custom and go until you have here 5000 terahash. Will cost 50,000 euro. But if you want to start, you can buy as small as 1 terahash, and at the current price 1 terahash give you 38 cents in Bitcoin if you pay the electricity and maintenance in Bitcoin, or 54 if you pay with the Go mining. 1 terahash cost 13 euro and give you back 30%. It's a real return of investment price, so it's nothing crazy. It's something that it's real, and you can start small and add more per month. You can go with 8 terahash and get monthly. With 8 terahash, get monthly $3. You will have the link in the description. Subscribe to my channel and stay update every day about this app. Thank you for watching. See you.